How you guys doing? It's your natural bodybuilding specialist, Kelly Brown. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do dumbbell pullovers. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is get your lower back on the pad, get a comfortable position. You're going to lay horizontally across the pad. Put your hands in the diamond position when you're holding on to the dumbbell. And then you're going to allow the dumbbell to pull and relax and pull over you and stretch you all the way down with your arms without bending your elbows too much. So you don't want to compromise your back, and you don't want to have the weight too heavy to where you're sliding around back and forth. So get in a nice comfortable position, and you're going to allow that weight to pull you and stretch you backwards, and then you're going to pull it back over. And so the purpose of this exercise is to work your traps. It works your traps from the back of your neck all the way down to your lower spine. So your trap muscles don't just stay in the same area just by your shoulders, if you didn't know that. All right, so if you want that nice round back that pokes out like a turtle shell, you want to make sure that you're doing these exercises. If you have a pullover machine in your gym, that's great. You can use that instead. Otherwise, this dumbbell exercise is a great old school exercise to use that helps out a lot. If you like the outfit, that's a Mechanoid 88 outfit. You can go to mechanoid88.com and shop the look. Hopefully you guys learned something in this video. If you did, share it with somebody, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.